Presenting the 2002 Chevrolet Impala. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include intermittent wipers, power door locks, power windows, remote trunk release, auto headlight on-off, daytime running lights, rear window defroster, and dual airbags. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.